I decided to use Dreamweaver to help to practice creating and manipulating variables. One reason why I did this is because I want to get more familiar with Dreamweaver, as it's going to be a program I'll be using a lot. And another reason is that I just moved into a new place and the internet is Wi-Fi, and it's sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow, and so it's not it's good for uploading, but it's again, because it can take its time. But as far as doing live stuff online, I couldn't get this done in 2 minutes. So here I've made a variable, and what I've done is made a button. You click here, and it brings up the name of a computer. Okay, so here is the HTML. Here I put in the paragraph up here. Click the button, and then the button, the function, and then what it says on the button is click here. So that is it's still HTML, and then the script function, the variable is computer, and I made it to be Fujitsu, not because I have a Fujitsu, but because I want one very badly, and then I just called it chapter 4 because that's what we're working on now. So I've already tried it out, and so I don't know if I can. What I'll do is just start manipulating now. Okay, so if we want to change something, we can go and like change the button and say and manipulate this variable and say just how about just instead of click here, we're just gonna say click. Okay, so and now computer, instead of Fujitsu, let's go with the computer I own, Lenovo. Okay, and so this stays the same. We could change the variables here. We could change this to anything we want, like candy bar and Snickers, and then this would have to change to candy bar. But now we're going to go back to live view, and so we can see that it's changed. Just click, and it says Lenovo now. So that is how I created and manipulated variables, and I'm already over time. So I'm going to quickly show you the research that I found on strings. I went to the Mozilla Developer Network, and basically it just tells you what a string is, the syntax for using a string, the parameters, description, the characters that you use. It goes through comparing strings, um, the differences between string primitives and string objects. So it kind of just goes through everything: properties, methods, all these different ways that you can use um, and that you can use strings, and then down here the methods for how you can use strings. Okay, sorry the video was long, and I will type this up.